So once again, welcome back on our YouTube channel, The Passion of Learning English. So today we are going to take the interview of Mr. Anuj. So Mr. Anuj, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling very proud and I'm feeling very happy that I can give answers and I have prepared myself.
Okay, you have prepared yourself for the question which I have made. Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you know which kind of the question I am going to ask?
No, but I have confidence that I can give answer.
Okay, so before I start asking you question, I would like to know in which class you are studying.
I'm in 10th class.
You are studying in 10th class.
Yeah.
Okay. So after passing the 10th class, which stream would you like to take?
I would like to take commerce for becoming businessman.
Okay, who has suggested you to take the commerce?
It's my goal. I want to be a businessman by myself.
By yourself. Okay. So now time all peoples are getting the rights. Do you think they are getting the rights?
I think no, because there are some people who are not getting. In the India, the now time also discrimination is running. For an example, I would like to take an example of black and white peoples. Now time in the schools they are doing the discrimination between the students.
Okay, will you tell me by the practice, if a learner who is doing the practice, so by the practice he can become a better English learner and he can speak English rapidly?
Yeah, because there is a line that is practice makes man perfect. Why? Because if you will practice on yourself, let to be suppose on English, so you can improve your English speaking, and you can if you have practice on your grammar, so you can also improve it.
I would like to ask one question related to the nature. What do you think that who is giving more harm to the nature? Human being or technology?
I think technology, because as soon as we are improving in the technology, we are by the technology we are cutting the trees, and due to it our atmosphere and the human beings are getting too much harm by it.
Okay, what do you think that because of increasing the technology in our life, we are forgetting our culture? Technology is making us to forget our culture?
No, we are improving in technology, but if you will go in the south side, for an example, Kerala and Assam, you will see that now time also they are eating their food on a banana leaf, and that is belongs to our culture and it is right.
Okay, I would like to ask question related to the Hyderabad case. What is your opinion on it, Hyderabad case, that where a government approved to go and cut the forest?
So I think they did very bad, because they have wasted many of trees, and they have also destroyed the nest or the house of the animals, wild animals, and because of that the animals and we are getting too much harm by it.
Okay, you are also an English learner. So what do you think that for learning English, atmosphere matters or not?
It matters, because for learning English you need a partner, and you need some motivation where you can get here, and you can also be an English speaker with your atmosphere, and every time whenever you are reading something there is need of atmosphere.
Okay, what do you think that in our country, which things people don't have? They don't have unity, or they don't have patriotism.
They don't have patriotism.
Why do you think that?
Why? Because now time, if you will see, now time student is not learning our history. They don't know what happened in the history. They know one person came and they got us freedom, but they don't know how we got freedom and how we are living here. So that's why, and now time students and people are not focusing on their country, that how they can improve their country. They are only focusing on their self, that how they are, and they are becoming selfish.
Okay, can you tell us how to achieve the success?
How to achieve? You should do practice, and you should not focus on the other people's, like society. Why society only use the wrong words to you? They are only means if you are going to do something, so only they are saying the wrong words that you cannot do. You should focus on yourself, on your study. That's
Okay,
important for you.
so it was the last question, and you are listening the interview of Mr. What is Anuj, and Anuj was giving the interview, and I think that Anuj has given the answer of all question very confidently and very clearly and so smoothly. So Anuj, I would like to say thank you so much to be the part of this interview.